Hi, it's Alexis from Learning Blade, and today I am going to show you how to use a floor plan design activity from our Mission Challenge resources. In our Haiti Earthquake mission, students will assemble STEM technologies and experts needed to rebuild the modern orphanage after a devastating earthquake. In this Mission Challenge activity, students will become architects and they will create a custom floor plan for a new orphanage based on the required building features. Through this, they will see how builders design modern structures. So now, let's begin our activity. First, you want to review the building requirements. We'll put those on the screen for you while we begin working on our floor plan. Almost all of our materials for the experiment are included in the worksheets. We will use the blank grid diagram and the furniture icons from the worksheet. And we'll attach some with some craft glue. We'll also use a pencil or a marker to draw any of the walls we need. You can also use plastic building blocks like Legos or Mega Blocks to represent the different building features if those are available to your class. Students could also simply draw their features on the grid. We've already cut out the building furniture and have those ready to be added to the floor plan. We'll put some glue on the back of those features and place them onto the grid. Once we place some of our building furniture, we'll draw some walls as well. And this shows you how a floor plan is made. So we have a bedroom here, a bedroom here. We have 2 beds, we have 2 dressers, and we also have a bathroom right there. Okay. And that's an example of how this Mission Challenge activity teaches students about civil engineering. This activity includes several discussion questions to gauge your students' understanding of the activity and their interest in related careers. After this activity, you can find more mission challenges in the resources section of Learning Blade. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.